Mommy, are you going to the zoo dito?
This is a mini zoo.
This is a mini zoo?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's a fish. It's a fish.
That's a shark.
Huh?
Isn't it a shark?
No, it's a fish.
What's that? A big fish. Oh, big fish. Kinakain si Galing. Diba dyan, may mga table dito. Dapat dito tayo nag-picnic eh. Side.
Thank you for inviting me in this place.
You're welcome. You hear that? Sabi niya, thank you for inviting me to this place.
Beautiful. This is fascinating. Okay, we're gonna see the birds. The birds in the sky. It's like super bird. See the eagle? Hey, wait.
Hey, look at
Alex,
that. See?
Look at the eagle, oh.
Okay, I'm going.
Here.
Follow
No,
daddy
it's
mo na.
exit.
That's his exit. Tawag ka!
See, oh, eagle, oh. Uy, the parrots, oh. Wow, the mockingbird. Yes. Oh, that's a parrot. This one, okay, oh. It's an owl, oh. That is an owl, oh. Owl. Yes. Oh, there's an eagle, oh. You know, the color blue, oh. It's a color blue bird. Down on the side, oh. On the side, oh. Kalis, oh. You know. Big bird. Ayun, oh. Ang dami. Ito, Kalix, oh. Look closer, oh. Look closer, oh. This is called eagle. Philippine serpent eagle. That's ito, oh. Lawin.
Matang lawin.
Oh, yun, oh. Big tick, oh. Call his name. Pick. There's a snake, oh. Kalix, oh. Oh.
Ba yan?
Ayun, oh, crocodile, oh.
Ayun na yung crocodile. Ayun na.
Oh, crocodile, oh.
Labas, naka-cage yan. He's in the cage.
Yo, big, oh.
See that?
You see, oh.
See that?
No, what's that snake? Crocodiler, oh. Kalix, oh, crocodiler.
Is it not moving?
No, he's sleeping.
Sleep, it's a morning. It's hibernating.
He sleeps at morning, he does sleep at nighttime.
See, oh. Come on. Ah. But how about this?